What separates the ultra-successful from everyone else? Is it luck? Is it talent? Studies show that success isn't about where you start. It's about the habits you build. A Harvard Business Review study found that highly successful people follow a set of daily habits that give them an edge over everyone else. Let's dive into the top 10 habits that can transform your life and set you on the path to success. 1. They wake up early. Apple CEO Tim Cook starts his day at 4:30 a.m. Oprah Winfrey, around 6 a.m. Successful people know that the early morning hours are the most productive. Waking up early gives you a head start while the world is still asleep. It's quiet, free from distractions, and the perfect time to focus on your goals. 2. They prioritize their health. From Elon Musk to Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, fitness is a non-negotiable. Regular exercise isn't just about staying in shape. It sharpens your mind, boosts energy levels, and reduces stress. Even a 30-minute daily workout can make a huge difference. 3. They read every day. Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. Bill Gates reads about 50 books a year. Knowledge is power, and reading helps you stay ahead in an ever-changing world. Whether it's business books, biographies, or self-improvement, reading just 30 minutes a day can put you ahead of 90% of people. 4. They set clear goals. Successful people don't drift through life, they plan it. Studies show that people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. Whether it's daily, weekly, or long-term goals, having a clear vision keeps you focused and motivated. 5. They maintain a strong morning routine. The way you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Many successful people meditate, journal, or practice gratitude. Even taking 10 minutes to visualize your day can make a massive impact on your mindset and productivity. 6. They surround themselves with the right people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with motivated, driven individuals, and their mindset will rub off on you. Whether it's networking events, mentors, or mastermind groups, building the right circle is crucial. 7. They take action. Even when it's imperfect, perfectionism kills progress. Jeff Bezos started Amazon in his garage with no guarantee of success. Most highly successful people take action first and refine later. Waiting for the perfect moment? It will never come. Start now and adjust as you go. 8. They manage their time ruthlessly. Time is the most valuable asset. Top achievers don't waste it. They use planners, time blocking, and automation to eliminate distractions. If you don't control your time, it will control you. 9. They keep a positive mindset. Failure is part of success. The difference? Highly successful people view failures as learning opportunities. Instead of dwelling on setbacks, they analyze, adjust, and move forward. A positive mindset isn't about ignoring problems, it's about tackling them with confidence. 10. They never stop learning. Narrator. Whether it's learning a new skill, attending seminars, or listening to podcasts, successful people are lifelong learners. The world evolves fast. Those who keep learning keep winning. Success isn't accidental, it's built on daily habits. Which of these habits do you already have? Which ones will you start today? The road to success is in your hands.